giveaway car is back. So this thing's set for like 3 months in the grass, and I figured let me try to start it again. And with some starting fluid and lots of cranking and a few dead batteries, it actually started. And check this out. It smells like mice pee, but check this out. Look at that, first crank. So the belt squeaks a little bit, big deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, get that mice pee smell out, and clean it up a little bit. And take it on the drive, see how it does. Look, no check engine light. Only the airbag light is on. Who knows why? We don't need airbags. She cleaned up nice. Keeps peeling the clear coat, but who cares? It'll peel off on a drag strip when we're going like 60 miles an hour. I'm pretty sure this thing can do like a 22nd, eighth of a mile, no doubt. So the plan's back on. I'm gonna put a few miles on this thing and make sure it's all good. Seems like it's overheating. I took the thermostat out and it seems like it's still getting hot. The gauge is staying in the middle, but it still seems like it's getting hot. I don't know what it is, but I haven't taken it on a drive like on the road yet, so I'm gonna try to do that and clean up the interior later. Maybe throw a stereo in here because it's missing, and clean all that up. I blasted all the door jams with the pressure washer, so it's looking fresh now. It's got brand new tires. They probably have flat spots because it's been sitting forever, but so again, I chose around 4 to 5 people, taking them to the drag strip. This is a 5-speed manual, so I'm gonna go first, set a time, and whoever beats my time, whoever has the best time that day on the drag strip, takes this car home. I'm gonna pass the title on to the car. So if so happens that I win the car, like I have the best time, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose one of the subscribers on here, a random subscriber that comments on that video, and I randomly choose one, and if you're nearby you can just come and get the car. Obviously I'm not gonna pay for shipping or anything like that, or taxes, because this is all sponsored by me. I know it's an old car, but it runs and drives, so I mean, it's worth something. Somebody can do whatever they want with it. They can scrap it and get their money, but whatever. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go on a drive. We rolling, boys. Yeah, we gotta check engine light, but hey, we're going 45. Unbelievable. This car actually drives after I rebuilt the engine. Well, didn't technically rebuild it, I guess. I just put new pistons, new bearings, and a used head, and it drives. This is amazing. Still smells like mice piss, but it is what it is. And the gas light came on, and I only have like 2 gallons of gas in here, so I'm gonna pull up to a Shell and put some 93 V-Power in it, and then some new spark plugs, and it should be race ready. That V-Power though. It is June 2022, and 20 bucks only gets you 4 gallons these days. What a time to be alive. And not even a half a tank of gas in this unit. But that V-Power though. And I'm about to hit 5 miles on this thing since the rebuild. Done by me. If you need your engine rebuild, hit me up. I got you. Just kidding, don't hit me up. This is probably my last engine rebuild ever because it was stressful. I have no idea what I'm doing as far as engine rebuilds, but and this thing actually runs decent, like doesn't knock. I mean, it's slow, but like it's an old car. It's a 2000, so that's what you get in 2000. So I got some new spark plugs, went with Motorcraft obviously, and some Seafoam. This thing's about to fly. V-Power 93 and Seafoam. This thing will break the dyno. Should I put this thing in the dyno or what? Or is it gonna blow? Let me know in the comments. Less than half a tank of gas and a full can of Seafoam. That's a good combination. This thing seems like it's getting hot still. I did remove the thermostat yesterday, but it's like, it's not overheating on the temp gauge, and I think removing the thermostat helped. I don't know. Maybe the fans aren't kicking on. I'll have to look into that. But I'm about to remove all 4 spark plugs. I want to just check compression one more time to see what it is, just for fun. Let's do it. That's hot. Super hot. Oh, these spark plugs are probably like original. Man, they all look good though. Super hot, but they all look pretty good. So, just gonna check compression, see where we're at, just for fun. Cylinder 2 was like at 30 yesterday before I got it actually running. I wonder if all of that has changed. So, let's take a look. Almost 90. Almost 90. I don't know what this engine's supposed to have. It's a 2000 Ford Focus with a 2.0 liter split port. Maybe it's supposed to be at 90. I don't know. Seems kind of low, but let me know in the comments what it's supposed to be. It's almost 60 on this one, so it did go up a little bit. Maybe it'll be okay. I guess that's why it has a hard time starting still. It starts on the first try, but you can feel there's something. Okay, so we got 90, 60. Another 90. So remember, I got this head off a used engine at a junkyard, so maybe the valve is leaking a little bit, because cylinder 2 I think didn't have any issues before with the old head. $90. Okay, so we got 90, 60, 90, 90. So I'm guessing 90 is normal. To me it seems super low. I would want to be probably at least 120, but it is what it is. I mean, it runs, it starts. I'm gonna put new spark plugs in because these look super old and probably original. Motorcraft, yeah, they're probably originals. So I'm gonna throw these new ones in. Here's the part number for that. Throw it in. Got seafoam in there. Go take it on another drive. See what happens. Alright, new spark plugs have been installed. Seafoam V-Power 93 from Shell. Let's see how it starts now. Still has a long start, but then, you know, that one cylinder is at 60 psi, so I feel like it runs a lot better though. Turn it off, try again. Oh yeah, it's way better. Man, this thing runs like a dream now. It like double the horsepower. Like, I feel the difference. Like, it used to take like 20 seconds to get it 0 to 60, but now it flies. It's starting to rain and the wipers are trash. So I'm actually gonna do like a 0 to 60 pull from start and see how it goes, but I can't see anything. Need new wipers. Alright, so I'm gonna come to a complete stop here and beat the world record. Oh man, check engine light came on. Alright, ready, set, go. I mean, 0 to 60 eventually. I just hope I didn't beat the world record right there, because this thing is super fast. Check engine light is just telling you that you have a rebuilt engine. It'll go away after a break-in period, I guess. But yeah, I can't believe this thing runs and drives. So, hey, $0 spent can get you a free car. How about that? How about that? $0 can get you this car for free. Yeah, it's not the best car, but it's a good daily driver. I'm sure it's cheap on gas with all these gas prices. It's like over $5 a gallon for 93. And like I said, what a time to be alive. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Hopefully in the next few weeks we're gonna go to the drag strip and give this car away to the winner. Or it could be me, or it could be you, because if I end up winning, I'm just gonna give it away to a random subscriber that's close by. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Later. Burnout is a burnout.